If you want to boot your Windows to Windows automatic repair mode, here's how you can do it quick and easy. Now what you want to do, while the device is on, even if it's on a blue screen of death, you want to long press on the power button to force to turn the device off. Now you may need to do this up to about 3 times before it comes on. Once you've turned it off, you want to turn on the device again. Wait for the device to turn on, and then once you see a loading logo, you want to go ahead and long press on the power button again to turn this off. Now turn on the device again. And then wait for it. If it doesn't show automatic repair mode immediately, as soon as it's showing the loading icon again, you want to long press. Now once it's off, turn it on this time around again. And you should now be able to see the automatic repair option. You should now see this. Click on advanced option in this section and you see continue, troubleshoot and turn off your PC. You can click on troubleshoot. You see reset this PC and advanced options. You see the startup repair option, startup settings, command prompts, uninstall updates, firmware settings and system restore. If you do find this video helpful, it won't cost anything to leave a like, subscribe and have the post notification turned on.